Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm showing you how I install these mini twists as a long-term protective style for length retention. Some of us have a bit of time on our hands, so this might be the perfect style for you. So I'm starting off with hair that I washed a couple of days ago. Straight after washing my hair, I installed some twists, and then the following day I unraveled the twists and put them back in, and that gives my hair a better stretch before I go ahead to twist the hair. So I am going to use Auntie Jackie's Seal It Up, and I've been using this product for a few months. It hydrates and also seals the hair, so I want to see how it works for my twists. I've done a full review of this product. If you guys are interested, I'll put a link in the description or just above the video. Now, you guys may know I don't care too much about clean parts. Clean parts are great, but if you've done many twists before, you know that they do take some time. So what's important for me is just to make sure there's no hairs left out of each individual twist. So I'm grabbing a decent amount of the Seal It Up butter and applying it to the piece of hair that I'm about to twist, ensuring that the entire piece of hair is fully coated with the product all the way from the top to the ends of the hair. And then all you do from then is just to part the hair as equally as you can and make sure that they are the same length at the ends. And this helps you to avoid borrowing hair later on. This step is particularly important because the piece of hair that ends up being shorter than the other has the ends of it quite exposed. So it won't be a protective style for that particular part of hair. Although, guys, sometimes you will borrow because, you're running out of time, or it's a habit, and I know I definitely do this sometimes, so there will be a couple of twists in there that will be borrowed, but the majority will not be. So once again, you want to coat the hair with the product all the way through and part it into 2 equal parts, as equal as you can get them, and then begin to twist. So another thing you just want to bear in mind is to try and hold the base of the twist as firmly as you can, because this just helps the style last longer. And that's pretty much all there is to it. If you end up having the ends of the hair that can't be twisted, I like to just twirl the ends of the hair to group the hair a little bit, and also to enhance the curl at the end. If you find that the product by itself does not hydrate your hair enough, you can spritz your hair with some water, not to wet it, but just to dampen it a little bit, because damp hair, just helps the hair to curl a little bit more, and just for the hair to hold, or the twist to hold a little bit better. But you want that stretch, and you definitely don't want your hair to be super wet when you're doing this, because there'll be lots of shrinkage and chance that you have a bit of tangles and single strand knots because of the lack of stretch in the hair. This style is perfect if you're looking for a long-term protective style. The time investment is great, obviously, because they're tiny little twists. This particular style took me about 6 hours, but I'm not the quickest. So I did it one evening for 3 hours and the following evening for another 3 hours. But, if you've got a bit of time, you're working from home, COVID-19 is messing all our lives, you can definitely complete the style over a couple of days or so. So guys, that's pretty much it. I'll let you enjoy the video, and comment below and let me know if you have a bit of time to do this style. It's perfect if you're in lockdown or quarantine, or, just working from home. And also just as a long-term protective style, let me know if you have tried it, or if you're going to try it in the future, what you think of mini twists. I will be doing some videos on how to maintain it, etc. in the future, so look out for that. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.